What's going on, everybody? What's up? Happy New Year. Happy New Year. This is my first day back, 2025. And let me tell you, 2025 is going to be crazy. Crazy. You're going to notice some different things, right, on my charts. So let me I'll just kind of work our way into it and the game plan for 2025. So I've been trading for 17 years. 17 years. Option swing trading has been my specialty. I started day trading the S&P 500 about 5 years ago. But trading my own money, right? Trading my own money using Thinkorswim. And just recently, I got introduced to prop firm trading. I am brand new to prop firm trading. I don't hardly know anything about it. So we're going to go through this journey together because I'm going to try to do both, right? I'm going to work more on this prop firm trading stuff using Apex. Man, I'm brand new to this. And not only that, I'm using it in a completely different software, completely different trading style. I'm going to be learning this with you live. So, this is for members right now. I'm going live for members. And then I'm also going to let my students in the school right now in the university. All right. I don't pretend to be a expert. I just learned about this prop firm trading stuff. So I'm probably going to take a beating. This is a brand new system. Brand new. But I've been seeing everybody do it, man. And that's a big goal of mine. 2025, master this prop firm trading and, trade other people's money. This is a Sierra Charts. Brand new to that too. So I don't know. You're going to probably watch me take a beating or not. We're going to do this together. But I will also be trading this S&P 500. I'm just going to cut back on the S&P 500 because, again, why would I want to trade my own money? Why would I trade somebody else's? So we'll see what happens. Right? Market opens up pretty soon. University students are coming in. And it's not going to be a teaching. We're just going to be trading and we're going to be talking. Again, main thing I want to know is I don't pretend to be an expert. I've never done this in my life. So we're going to do it together. Now, I know how to trade, but I know how to trade my style. This right here, this is crazy. These Yorinko charts, shit, it is crazy. I'm not used to this at all. At all. So we'll see what happens. But 2025, that's the goal. That's the goal. We're going to trade these evaluation accounts. We're going to try to pass them. Get these PA accounts, trade them live. I'm using Apex. You'll probably see me use Top Step. But also, brand new. Brand new. We'll see what happens. Sit back, relax, and let's go. But I'm also going to be, like I said, looking at the S&P. I'm also going to be looking at the S&P. I'm going to do the trading that we're used to. I'm just going to focus on one specific trading style right now for at least the first 3 months, more of my aggressive approach. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. Well, S&P is up 40 right now. And then this is really weird because this is these crazy ass candles, man. These Yorinko, shit. I don't know. Sit back, relax, and let's rock and roll. We're going to do it together. All 2025. I know, let me kind of put this over here. Let me just get set up, get the chat pulled up. Apex, yeah, I'm using Apex. So we'll see. My students don't even know, really, hardly. They're going to log in, and they're going to be like, what are you doing? So we're going to experience brand new, baby, 2025. This is the year. Again, we're going to trade other people's money, and we're going to do it, and we're going to learn it, and we're going to do it together. Period. So we got 9 seconds. Doesn't look like we have any news announcements that we need to worry about, so we're okay. Okay, look at this shit, dude. Damn it. All right. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, 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 ding. All right, so things are going to be crazy. Again, I'm trading. I got these Apex accounts. I'm also doing some copy trading. I just learned about this copy trading stuff as well. But I'm not going to get crazy here. I'm going to, this morning, I know it's really volatile in the morning, so I'm going to try to let it settle down. But look at these crazy-ass charts, right? And again, I don't pretend to be an expert. I'm brand new to this charting software. Brand new. I'm brand new to prop firm trading. Brand new. I'm trading, right now, I'm trading 3 $50,000 accounts. That's what I'm trying to pass. 3. These fuckers are crazy. These Urenco charts. Holy, look at this shit, dude. This is fucking nuts, bro. It's like a rocket ship. Again, I'm stepping out right now. And I'm cutting back on my S&P trading, focusing on a specific signal. So we'll come back to that. But I'm in no hurry. No hurry. My goal this year, right now it's January the 6th. This is my first day back. I was out of town. My goal this year is to pass 20 evaluation accounts, preferably these $50,000 accounts. Obviously, I got to learn all the rules with Apex. People are telling me you can't win too much money. You can't lose too much money. So it's kind of crazy. But right now, today, I'm going to be trading 3 $50,000 accounts. That's what I want to pass first. And we'll kind of go from there. I'm going to be trading throughout the day, but I'm live here in the morning. But we'll see what happens. Now, I have a company that is wanting me to work with them and be one of their traders or one of their coaches. So I really got to learn it to coach. And some of my students who are also going to be trading the Nasdaq, they're over there right now, kind of learning some Sierra chart stuff. Look how crazy it is. Jesus, man, these fucking things are wild. This is not what I'm used to. Is this, right? Look at this, right? One little candle. Market's up 48, so that's good. Market's up 48. We've got, let me see here. It's my first trading day back. Dow Jones is up 123. Russell's up 12. ES is up 44. But look at the difference, right? It's kind of barely moving. And this is moving like a rocket ship. So, and again, I just want you to know, man, I mean, we're going to be doing this together. We're going to be doing this together. I do have a mastermind group. So if you are part of the school, if you're part of the university, we have a mastermind group where we're actually really diving into these, like trying to figure this out together. So if you want to join our mastermind group, you got to be part of the coaching. But what I'm doing is I'm watching, because this shit is crazy. Right? And again, I'm trading. Today I'm trading one $50,000 account, but I'm copy trading into 2 more. So I'm going to kind of just let things settle back and just chat with y'all while we watch. Because when it comes to the S&P, I'm really going to be focusing on one of our main signals. Kind of is what it is. Because I'm going to try to do both. So it's going to be too difficult, right? This is my money, right? When I trade over here on TOS, it's my money. So I got to be careful. When I trade on the Sierra charts, that's going to be these evaluation accounts and hopefully building up to PA. Again, that's my goal, 20. But I don't know. I'm going to be honest. I don't know shit. This is brand new, man. And these Sierra charts they're different. They're different. All right, so we did have some, we did have a nice bounce off of BB1 over here on the VWAP. So buyers, you know, right now we do have a buy sub situation. I'm going to wait though, because I practiced before I left, and trading in his first, like early, I got killed. I was up like 1,500. I was doing good. This is one of my evaluation accounts. And then I said, man, I got all confident, right? And I traded in the morning, one of the mornings before I went out of town, and I'm not going to bullshit you. In 30 minutes, I lost all of my 1,500 and 3,000 more and blew up that account. I was like, what the fuck? Because again, I'm not used to this. I'm not used to this platform. I'm not used to this style. I'm learning it brand new. So what's so cool is at the end of the year, we're going to be able to go back and see, you know, how we started. We better get good at it, because I really want to, you know, I don't want to trade my money. I want to trade their money. And I'm doing the Nasdaq. So I'm trading the S&P 500 on TOS, and then I'm going to be trading the Nasdaq with the Apex. What's going on, Marky Mark?
Good morning, Jeff. Good morning, everybody. Happy New Year.
Hey, what's up, brother? What's up? Good to see you, my man. Good to see you,
man. We'll talk later, Jeff. Let me know the time. Right?
Yes, there's a lot to catch up on, but man, you doing all right, brother?
Yes, had some. We'll talk directly, but had some issues, but they're good. Everything's good.
Okay, as long as your health okay?
Yeah, thank God.
Thank God. Thank God. You're going to be noticing some crazy stuff over here, Mark. So just this 2025, we got big plans, brother.
Yeah. Well, there's a lot I want to talk. One of the things I wanted to speak to you about is the Nasdaq.
Yeah.
Because I've been doing a lot of experimenting with that over the past, say, 6 months.
Beautiful.
I think I'll be able to help in some way, you know.
Sounds good. So what we'll do is we'll talk later on the phone. Just kind of sit back, listen to me. Some of this that I'm going to be doing, you're going to be like, you're not going to have a clue what I'm doing, but don't worry. We'll talk on the phone about it later.
Cool. Okay.
Cool. All right, brother. Let me put you on mute just so I can kind of get this rolling. All right. So right now we've got the and we've been talking, you know, Mark's popped in here, but again, we'll chat later about it. This is Sierra Charts. Right now we bounced off BB1. Everything's looking good. We're in a buy sub situation. And again, for those of you that are brand new popping in, welcome aboard. 2025 is going to be huge. And again, I haven't even really chatted with my own students too much about it, only a couple of them. But my main goal here, okay, let's just talk about it while we're watching. The main goal this year from a trading standpoint is to master the prop firm trading. I would rather trade somebody else's money than my money, period. Now, if you just popped in, welcome aboard. Again, I'm brand new to this. I'm using a completely different charting system. I'm using a completely different style, completely different, you know, this is your what's it called? Unwrinkled charts, all that. So this is new. And I'm trading these Apex evaluation accounts. I'm going to be doing them live, you know. Now, again, I'm also going to be trading TOS. Yes. But what I'm going to do is my top priority is to master these prop firm trading. With TOS, it's not prop firm trading. This is my money. I'm still going to trade it, but I'm just going to only trade basically one of my signals for the next 3 months, because this is going to be on the back burner, and I'm going to focus more on the Nasdaq and the prop trading. So I'm going to be trading my aggressive signal after the 30-minute range sets up on the ES. Okay, so let me move it off. So there's not going to be too much, right, on that. This is where I'm going to really be focusing hardcore on. Hardcore. And again, this is my first day back. We got a lot of trading. I want to make it clear, because I know some of you have messaged me. I'm still trading the ES. Absolutely. But you have to understand, I have so many different strategies, right? My advanced strategy alone has 4 different setups. You got to really be focused. My aggressive strategy has just 2. So I'm going to be trading my aggressive strategy for at least the first quarter only on the ES. And I'm going to be trading the Nasdaq 100 using Apex. You might see me use Top Step, but Apex as well. I'm going to master this. Like I said, I want to look back at the end of this year and be trading 20 PA accounts. And I'm going to be looking to try to pass $50,000 accounts. Okay. I have a certain daily goal. I'm not going to get into that right now. I'm just watching and making it clear the direction going forward is primarily the Nasdaq and mastering what I got to learn about these prop firms and their rules, right? Can't win so much money, can't lose so much money. It's crazy. And just make it clear. I'm learning this with y'all, brand new. So I don't pretend to be an expert. I have no idea, I'm going to be doing it. I'm going to be trading live. And then, throughout the day, on my own. So we'll see what happens. All right. So right now, though, again, I'm letting things shake out. We did bounce off of that BB1 area right over here. You can see over here in our fast MACD, green, everything is looking good. We're breaking up here to a new swing high. Our super trend, we got everything's looking good to the upside. And we know because we just looked at the S&P's up 54. Shit, I mean, it's pounding. The Nasdaq is up 294, which really kind of freaks me out. Oh, there it is. Okay. Because I'm getting used to it. So right here. Okay, so the Nasdaq's up 294 because I'm looking at TOS and I'm looking at these Sierra charts. Don't ask me what data feed I'm using or I don't know. I mean, I know, but I ain't got time to go over that stuff because this shit's crazy. This shit's crazy. And again, this is why I'm starting today with y'all, and we're going to be doing it all year. So as I get more comfortable, I'll dive into more stuff. But I mean, I'm not, man. I'm trading 6 right now because it's a $50,000 account. I'm trading the micros. So I'm trading 6 micros because I don't want to win too much. I don't want to lose too much, right? Because then we'll get this damn account destroyed and then I'll have to buy some more evaluations. I got 7 evaluations. Okay.
And Jeff, if I can interject,
go for it.
6 micros.
Yeah, I'm gonna do. Well, here's the thing.
Trust me, it's plenty.
Yeah, no, I am gonna be. Yeah. I am gonna be using
you're probably aware. At any given moment, you can have 70-point candles.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Yeah. So I am gonna be using these 6 micros. So, but what gets me here, y'all, is this style. I'm brand new. So I'm not used to this. I'm not used to the unwrinkled charts. Oh, they freak me out, dude. But I've been practicing with them before I went out of town, and it's wild, right? We got the sprinkler wilders down there at the bottom. And I'm just watching right now because the other day I got destroyed. I blew up an entire evaluation account in 30 minutes trying to jump in front of this monster in the morning. So I'm going to let things shake out and we're just going to kind of watch it. Because again, I'm here to pass these evaluations. I want to be trading $20,000, $50,000 accounts. That's my goal. Okay. In addition to my ES, right? But with the ES, I'm just going to cut it back to my aggressive. And whenever I do the ES, I'll bring it back over here on the screen. But so got all my orders set up, which We just learned how to do this the other day. So it's pretty cool, man. Wow, you see that? That's fucking crazy. What's neat is, you know, I should have did this a long time ago. I'm not going to lie. I should have been trading these. I should have been, you know, trading this prop firm stuff, you know, 3-4 years ago. I didn't know about it. How stupid is that, right? All I knew was my TD Ameritrade, right? All I knew was my TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim, and primarily because I trade options. I love, and I'm not going to stop that. So again, we have everybody in the school. There will be no stopping options. Today, at about 9:45, 10 o'clock, we're going to keep the schedule. I'm going to be trading options. But in the morning, I'm going to be trading primarily, you know, this. And then I'm also going to be, you know, when 9 o'clock sets up, I'm going to be looking for my signal on the ES to try to take that. But I don't want to be in a hurry and jump in and blow up this account. I mean, look at these fucking charts, dude. This is crazy. And Mark's right. These bad boys go nuts. But 6 micros has been plenty. And what I might do, because honestly, this first 30 minutes, it's pretty volatile. You can see, super crazy. You know,
Jeff, do less than that in the first 30 minutes. That's my 2 cents.
no, I'm going to keep it on what I'm doing here.
Okay. All
yeah,
right.
I'm going to keep it on what I'm doing because I've been practicing with it. But the only thing is I'm debating is if in the first 30 minutes is I will primarily focus only on the ES and then go to Nasdaq when it's kind of calmed down. But
that's a good thought too.
Yeah, you know, I mean, that's why I'm kind of thinking. It's because I'm not going to stop trading the ES. I love trading the ES. I'm good at the ES. I've been doing that for 5 years. By no means am I going to just quit trading the ES. But, you know, I'd be a fool if I can pass these accounts and trade prop firm money. Why would I want to be? why would I not want to do that? So, I mean, that's my big plan, 2025. You know, I see all these people out there trading. I've been watching stuff, or I see videos on YouTube about people trading prop firm, and I didn't even know what that was. And now I'm like, wow, I should have did that shit 5 years ago. But I have noticed that the Nasdaq, at least based on these Eurinko charts, because that's what I'm using, they're crazy. They're fucking crazy. So yeah, I'll probably wait till about 30 minutes, you know, to really get involved here with the Nasdaq. I'm in no hurry. My daily target, okay, just so we're talking, right? My daily target is $500. Okay, now if you're copy trading 20 accounts, I just learned this. So I'm trying to build up 20 PA accounts. If I make $500 a day, and that's going to be my goal, and you have 20 accounts, do the math, my friends. That's $10,000 a day. What's up, Brandon? A day. What the fuck? That freaks me out. And that's at over $500. So my goal is going to be $500 a day. Now, again, I know a lot of you. Again, I'm also live on YouTube. We go live just like before, and then we'll, you know, jump in more. Y'all probably know more about this than me, but I mean, I know somebody that they were making $100 a day, and it's like, that doesn't seem like too much. But shit, they're trading 10 accounts. $100 a day times 10 is $1,000 a day. I know somebody that makes $2,000 a day that trades $300,000 accounts. He makes $40,000 a day. Other people's money. You tell me that's not worth learning? So that's my goal, $500. And then, either way, if I lose $500 or win $500, because I don't want to win too much and lose. So if I end up winning $500 or losing $500, I'm going to switch and go to another evaluation account. So that's going to be my game plan. Brandon knows. Brandon, we've chatted about it, right? Brandon's been over here last week. We had a mastermind meeting yesterday. So that's going to be the plan. Trade, get $500 a day. Bam. Currently, right now, I have 0 PA accounts. None. I mean, I'm just starting. 0. I have 7 evaluation accounts that I'm going to be trying to pass. Right now, I'm copy trading. I'm copy trading 2 accounts. So I'm trading 1 account and I'm copy trading. So I'm really trading 3 accounts right now. So if I blow it up, I blow up all 3. All right, so it's 8:51. So let me kind of get set up over here as well, because I'm going to put this off to my other screen so I can see what's going on with the ES also. I'm going to draw all my levels as normal, and I am going to be doing the aggressive, trading the Nasdaq for a long time. I am in no hurry because I know that it's super volatile and I need to let things calm down. And I'm not comfortable with it yet, but this I am comfortable with. So what I'm going to do here right now, S&P's up nicely. I'm going to go ahead and mark, because I'm only going to do 1 trade or 1 style over here on the ES. It's my aggressive. So let me mark some stuff up, and then we'll go back to the Nasdaq. All right. Let's see here. Charles, what is Charles? Has Charles posted anything yet? Okay, he posted his pivots. All right, so we've got 2875. So again, for those of you that are here in the school, let's mark that area, because we're not going to stop this, obviously. It's just things are going to be getting fucking crazy, and we're going to be learning the other stuff together. I mean, I just want y'all to know I'm no expert. Okay, so again, I don't want anybody to be like, "Oh, you fucking lost." Yeah, dude, I am no expert trading that other system. I'm learning brand new, so I'm probably going to get killed, but I don't care. I don't pretend to be an expert. We're going to learn this together, but I better be an expert by the end of this year. If not, I ain't going to do that no more. All right, mark that level. Actually, we don't even need to mark it. Again, I've been out of town, so ticks are 160 positive. All right, drawing all the stuff. So we're going to wait on this. When 9 o'clock comes, we're going to put this back over here. We're going to try to get that trade, and then we're going to dive into this. Things, give it about 30 minutes to calm the freak down. All right, and I got people messaging me all over the place, so. But look at that, dude. So, again, looking good right now. We're still up here. Boom, we're right at TB3. Still bias up. So, obviously, things are looking good, but I'm not trading yet. Hang on a second. Tell my friend something. No, I'm not in the orientation. I can't join that. I've told her that I can only do stuff in the afternoon. I have my own school, my own classes, and I take kids to school during the morning. So I can't attend a single thing ever that she does in the morning. It will only be in the afternoon, as my original plan was. All right. Looks like it's calming down a little bit. One thing I do know, I had been kind of practicing with this before I left. And $500, man, you're going to see when we take trades, this shit's going to go up fast, man, or down fast, dude. Remember, I'm only going to lose $500. If I lose 500, I'm going to switch accounts or win. All right? And as now, if you can take a look, all my accounts, they're 0. So I haven't even started trading. What's going on, Sean? Just sit back and relax. So I haven't even started the trading. Brand new. Now I have been trading for the last week a $50,000 Top Step account. Top Step. I haven't passed it yet, but I'm about halfway there. But I switched over to Apex right now because I don't know. I just want to learn Apex. Everybody out there, all these YouTube videos and all these people seem to be trading Apex. So I love the idea of copy trading. And again, my goal is $20,000, $50,000 Apex accounts by the end of this year. All right, 8:55. I'm still going to be kind of watching. And I am going to be looking here at the S&P. Right, we're watching this. Market's looking nice. Nasdaq's up 316. S&P's up 62. Okay, I have to talk about that later, my friend. I don't know how you do this. I just know that I'm actually part of a company that wants me to be one of their traders, and this is their software. So, see your charts. That's all I can help you out with right now. We are going to have our mastermind group later. Like I said, you're always welcome. That's whenever we get more into stuff like that. Well, Sierra Charts is what I'm using. I believe Sierra Charts is free. Don't ask me what data feed. You know, the company that wants me to trade with them, they help me set it all up. It's pretty much what I got right now. All right, 8:57. So I am going to mark a couple levels over here so we can kind of just get this. Because once I make this trade, if we win or whatever, then I can just... Oh, did they? Oh, that's funny. They added me to the charts, but yet we still don't know what's going on, right? We'll figure it out, but that's pretty funny. I have no problem with that. Again, great people. They want me to be one of their coaches. Great program. But I can't be one of their coaches until I learn how to do that shit on my own, right? Or not on my own, but learn how to do it. And it's not the ES. They don't trade the ES at all. They don't use Thinkorswim. They trade these bad boys right here. This is different, man. I might get destroyed. You might see me blow up 50 accounts in the next couple months. I hope not. I mean, anything I've ever set out to do in trading, I've done. This is going to be no different, man. I'm going to take a beating, and I have no problem taking a beating live. No problem. I'm not pretending to be an expert at this. I am brand new. But one thing about me is 2025 is going to be the year. It's going to be the year. I'm not going to quit no matter how many accounts I destroy. Just because you're good at one system don't mean you're good at something else. Yeah, I'm not going to reveal it in here, but in the mastermind group later, we'll talk more into that. Okay? But it's good. You can always type stuff in the chat. If I can't answer it, I'll just say I can't answer, right? It's all good. That's part of you being in my my school. Here's the deal. If you're in the school, absolutely I'm going to be sharing with you what I do because you're a student. Hell yeah. Okay, but right here, I got to trade. I'm trying to pass this shit. I can't got time. I can't teach. I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing. Right? But I'm going to pull up the ES really quick because I just want to, well, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to, I'm going to look at this really quick. I am using, again, I'm going to be using Thinkorswim. So for those of you in here right now, we're going to be trading the ES as normal. We're going to be only focusing on the aggressive at the 30-minute mark. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this off to the side because I don't want to trade the Nasdaq yet. I tried to trade the morning the other day and I got killed. What I'm learning is you got to let things calm down. And so, you know, I'm only going for $500 a day per account. I can't be blowing that in like 5 seconds. All right, so let's watch the ES really quickly. We're going to be looking at our aggressive, and then we're going to go back to the Nasdaq, right? And in the afternoon, we get into the mastermind later. It's all Nasdaq only. No ES. The only time I'm going to be focusing on the ES is here at this time around this 9 o'clock trade. One trade, maybe two tops. That's it. And then it's back to the Nasdaq so we can try to pass these exams, right? Even though things are looking good, but I got to stick to my plan. I'm trying to juggle both. If I can't juggle both, I'm going to put the ES on the back burner, and I'm going to focus solely on the Nasdaq with the prop firm. My goal, for those of you brand new too, in the first 3 months, so by March 31st, I want to have 5 live PA accounts, 50,000. So I'm giving myself 3 months to get 5. I have no idea how many accounts I'm going to blow before I get to that 5. We'll see. But that's my goal, and I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. If I can get more, great. But that's what I'm going for. All right, so again, watching ES, market's up 59. I'm looking for one trade. Actually, what I'll do is I'm going to move it off to the side. And we're going to go back and look at the NASDAQ. But if the other trade presents itself, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it back over here. Okay? And if this becomes too complicated for me, then I'm just going to be focusing on the NASDAQ, right? Passing these evaluations. This is good for, again, I think people, I'm going to be straight up with you. If you're brand new to trading, this is the route that I would have went from the beginning. Okay? Because again, why would you trade your own money when you can trade somebody else's? It makes no sense. Right? Think or swim, TD Ameritrader, Charles Schwab, that's your money. And plus, over here, I don't think you have any of those rules, man. All right. Again, I'm going to try to do both. I'm watching the S&P on the other screen, and now I'm going to watch this. So it's 9 o'clock. You know, I think things are settled down enough to where I can look to take a trade over here. But if the ES presents itself, I'm going to bring it over here. I'm going to focus on that, and then we'll come back to this. So, you know what? Let me do this real quick. Because the ES is really close to giving us an opportunity. Shit. Okay. Damn. This might be tough to do both. It might be tough to do both. No hurry, guys. No hurry. No hurry. Let's bring this back over here really quick. I'm watching right now. I'm going to be looking to go long. Okay? So I'm going to be setting up to go long on the S&P. So this is not the prep. This is our money. Right? Looking to go long. And aggressive number 2. That's what I'm after. Okay. And again, I would love to just try to flip it over the NASDAQ and do both, but I've got to focus, man. This, I'm comfortable with this. I've been doing this for 5 years. The ES. Price action. This, brand new. Can't afford to get destroyed. I can't be buying these fucking PA, these evaluation accounts like over and over and over. I mean, I can, I just don't want to. But I am going to be looking to go long. Market's up 62. Our ticks are positive 203. So, Brandon, you were over there today and you left, or? Or is it done? All right. So here we go. Jason, what's up? What's up? I don't want to go through the whole spiel, but we're doing both, okay? We're doing both, but right this second, what I'm going to be looking for first is my S&P trade. And then if that presents itself, we'll be done and we'll focus on the Nasdaq. So I'm going to be looking to go long. And again, we've been talking for like 30 minutes on the game plan, the goals, but I can't quit doing my ES, okay? I can't quit. So once I get my trade set up, I'm going to take it, win, lose, or draw, and then we're going to be focused on the Nasdaq, okay? On the other stuff. So maybe what I could do is just kind of move it over, watch this, and just be kind of looking at my other screen, right? And then if it presents itself, I'm gonna bring it back over here. But today we will have our mastermind meeting to really go into more details. But it's pretty, it seems like the volatility is kind of climbing out a little bit right now. We do have that swing high up here at TB3. So we got some mixed information right now. I'm in no hurry to do this. All I got to do is pass and get me 5 accounts by the first quarter. Right? And I am going to trade this afternoon as well in our school. So, if the morning's not very good, then we'll just focus more on the afternoon. But we hit that TB3 resistance area. And, again, our super trend, though, we still kind of biased. Got some mixed information going on right this second. So let's kind of go back to this ES, because I'm going to be looking to go long on the ES right now. I am going to be looking at those 99s, right? Okay, and again, I'm going to be using my active trader platform over here. But again, it's my money, so I don't want to be too stupid, right? That's not bad. Introductions only took 1 hour and 12 minutes. That's how it should have been the other day. Today when we get into our mastermind group, you can tell me if there was anything new. Don't talk about it right now, but if there was anything new, then y'all can share that with us today in our program. All right, so doesn't look like it's happening right now. I'm just kind of watching this, sitting at this 6,053 market sub big. I do want to go long, okay? But it doesn't seem like it's popping up yet. If it does, I'll bring it back. I'm getting some kind of mixed information right over here. You got the fast MACD, red's heading down over here. This is the 3-minute, the 5-minute, the 10-minute. So right now we're kind of in that tricky spot. I'm going to be very patient on this bad boy. Look at this. I mean, this is how I got killed the other day. Right? That's how I got. Okay, hang on. Let me move it back. All right. So I'm going to be looking to go long here over here. Only 90s. Not yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna leave it here for a minute. So I'm going to be looking to go long via our aggressive approach with the signal. Y'all know the rules. Y'all know what we do. Looking to go long if I get it. I'll tell you if I get in. Not yet. I'll say I'm in. So let's keep watching. But I'm going to focus on this first, and then we're going to go to the other. Our goal is to take our 1 trade over here, maybe 2, and that's it. Right? I'm not going for much. Y'all know the guidelines. We've been doing this for 5 years. And then we can close this chart and focus specifically on the what's it called? Unrinko. I keep saying Urinko, but I think it's Unrinko. But no problem, right? We're going to do that shit. The other day, I saw that fucker go crazy, dude. All right, so I'm looking to go long. I'm just waiting. Ticks are 228. 228. Unirinko, right? There you go. Unirinco. Yeah, crazy stuff. But the good thing is there's really no pressure. There's no pressure for me on the other because I'm brand new. We're learning it together. I'm going to get beat up and I don't care. I mean, I don't pretend to be a wizard, but I can guarantee you by the end of this year, I'm going to be a fucking wizard at it. Trading 20 PA, $50,000 PA accounts, making bank. I can promise you that. I'm going to be looking to go long. Okay. If we get our signal, it's flirting around up here, right? Back off. Back off. This tells us right here that, yes, we gapped up a lot, but things are a little tricky. Wow, we just had a big jump down here. So kind of come back over here. Look at that move. Holy shit. Those fuckers got going crazy. All right, so back over here. So when y'all see this chart, that's the apex. TD Ameritrade is not. Okay. All right. You can see that we hit that TB3 at that swing high. We're pulling back, and we might come back. Right now, we're about to hit TB1. If we break TB1, we're coming down to VWAP. Coming down to VWAP. Still undecided right now, right? There's really no sustained move, right? You got the double six down there. You got your diamond. You got your diamond down there at the 6. It's just what I'm learning, right? Just what I'm learning. I'm throwing out stuff. If y'all are like, what the hell are you talking about? Don't worry. I barely know what the fuck I'm talking about on that. On that. Not the ES. I'm a wizard at that son of a bitch. All right. Things are cooking. Things are cooking. Okay. This is not a time chart, Sean. This is the Unirinco. It's no time. I don't know how it works, but it's not time at all. I think there's no time to this. All right, so I am going to be looking to go, damn it, I got too many signals happening. Which one do I take? Shit. All right, I'm going to, both of my signals were happening at the same time. So, shit. I want to go long. Damn it. This might be too difficult for me to do both. I am going to get the S&P 500 here, right? Almost in a minute. So I'm going to stay here for a minute. It might be too hard for me to do both. If it is, that's fine. We're going to focus on a prop firm, and then we'll just do this in a school. Because I got some opportunities, and I don't want to miss those opportunities, right? Don't want to miss those opportunities. All right, so we're pulling back. Damn it, I was going to buy. Go here. I really do want to be long. So I'm just kind of watching here. And again, we're going to talk about this today in the mastermind, but I am going to be looking to go long here. These fuckers are going quick. Damn it. I wanted to take that signal right there, but what threw me off is the S&P. The S&P is throwing me off because I'm looking at both. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do both because that right there would have paid me, man. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. That trade I would have already got my goal. Fuck. All right. Let's go long on the S&P 500 over here. All right, I'm going to go long the S&P. I'm only going for our target of 10. Get the 10, I'm out. Okay? I'm in the S&P 500 based on our guidelines. I'm only looking for 10. And if this doesn't follow through, I'm going to jump out. If I get the 10, depending on how many contracts you do, it is what it is. But I'm not going to give this much room. And that's it. We're just looking for a little pop to the upside. Market's up 68. Ticks are 53. My goal for the aggressive, y'all, number 2 is 10. That's it. So if you do, for example, let's say you do 10 contracts at 10. What's that? $100, right? Do 20, it's $200. And vice versa. Okay. We're sticking to the plan. But if it doesn't follow through, we're going to jump out. And then we're going to focus on a Nasdaq. And again, if it becomes too difficult, then I'll put this on hold because I'm not worried about this. You know, I've been trading this a long time. But I need to really build the muscle memory over there in the Nasdaq. It's 9:15 right now. And we're just going to stay in this trade. We're going to follow the plan. Going for 10. Just need a quick little pop. I will jump out, though. If this son of a bitch doesn't do what I want it to do, I will jump out. Not looking like it's doing what we want it to do, y'all. It's impossible. It's not doing much. It's kind of flirting around with there. It ain't doing much. You know, and I might just, I don't like the action over here. Right? Hang on a second. Let me see something real quick. Yeah. It's not doing much. Doesn't seem like it's following through. Starting to, though. Right? Hang on. Could jump up here. Just watching. Hold that area. Could get going here. You know, we're holding that area. Let's see if we can get some juice. Let's see if we can get some juice in here. All right, we're holding it. Let's see what happens here. I'm still in this trade. But I'm not. I'm a little bit leery about it. All right, we're picking up. I'm just kind of watching it right now. We're trying to hold that 60-53 area. I'm not asking for much. We need to hold this area and go up. I'm not asking for too much. All right, 60-53, market's up 65. We're holding that area. Not following through. We might have to just kind of get out here for a baby little loss or break even. I don't know. We'd love to see it follow through a lot quicker, right? Man. I'm just watching it. P&L is pretty flat right now. You know what? I don't like it. I'm going to just go ahead and jump out. And yeah. So I don't like this action. You know, I wanted to pop. It didn't. No big deal. We can go over to the other. And yeah, let's go from there. So what I'm going to do is, I don't like that follow through. Let's go ahead and go back over here now. All right, let's see what we got. So I'm going to be laser focused over here for right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and buy here. Oh, I got my trade locked. Damn it. Damn it. All right. So I have my trade locked. Oh. All right. All right. So I got my first target up here. And oh, well. So what happened was over here, they said to lock this trade. They said to lock that trade. So I did it, and I didn't realize it, but I'm in this trade right now. So let's see what happens here. I got a target one, and then I'm going to let it rock. Again, we're looking back over here. Things are looking good. We bounced off TB1. We're working our way up high. And that's it. We'll see what happens. We're going to do this together. Win, lose, or draw. We'll go over this stuff in the mastermind group as well. Okay, we'll go over this stuff in the mastermind group as well, regardless. But I'm trading $3 $50,000. Now, I think I copy traded, so I'm hoping it works. But I am a bias up situation. And what I might do is, it might be a little bit too difficult for me to do the ES in this. And again, I'd much rather have prop firm money. Bam, there we go. Come on. Hit the target. Bam, target one. Hit. All right, let's go. All right, and bam, there we go. Bam, all right, I'm out. $100. All right, $100. Here we go. So we're up $100. Remember, we're trading 3. So let's wait for another entry. And everything still looks good to the upside. Damn, pick me off, man. That's not bitch to go. But we're up $100. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Damn. I should still be in that. Fucker's gone, dude. Look at that. Damn, you little son of a bitch. Fuck. I wanted that shit, dude. Bad. All right. I'm going to buy again. Not going to give it much room, okay? Buying it again. I don't know. What is this crap right here? I don't want these little fucking messages to pop up. Oh, that fucking happened. Look at that. That was quick. What the hell are these little messages? What the fuck is that? How do you... I don't know what those little messages are, but I don't want them to be there. All right. See how quick that was? No, it was provided. It was given to me. This was all given to... Well, this was given to me, and plus we changed a couple things. Damn it. All right. So let's keep watching. Yeah. And again, I'm going to talk more. But this is all new to me. Look how fast that was. It went from up 100 to like down 48. That was fucking crazy. And again, I know it's volatile in the morning. Damn. And that, look at that ESE. I don't know if I can't do both. That was a little bit too difficult. I got out of the other. Now the other one's following through. So I gotta focus. And again, my goal is these PA accounts. So let's keep watching. So let's see if we can bounce, work our way back up. Yeah, we're still biased up. That was fast, though. Holy shit, dude. Mark was right. You can go. It's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy.
Jeff, I don't even recommend chewing gum while you're doing NQ.
Bro.
Never mind doing ES and NQ at the same time. But
wait, what'd you say about ES and what was your?
I don't even recommend you trying to chew gum.
Oh,
and NQ at the same time.
Yeah, you're right. That was because now that trade that I basically got out for a baby loss, it's up, and because I couldn't really focus. And again, at the end of the day, I got to make a decision. You know, my number 2 priority in 2025 is to master this prop firm stuff. I've already got the ES. I made a lot of money last year doing that. So that's not a big deal, but doing both might be a little difficult for me. But again, we'll talk more about it in the mastermind. I'm just watching.
For you, for anybody.
Yeah, for anybody, brother. You're right. I mean, fuck, man. I tried to do that ES right now, and I got out for a baby loss, and now I would have hit my target, but it was because I couldn't focus on it. So anyway, but again, this is part of the learning process, right? For me, you know, I've got to decide. That's why I wanted to do this, because I have to decide: do I do both? Do I do one? And the only way for me to decide is to get in there and do it and see if I can handle it. You know, because
that's what you've done all along, Jeff.
Exactly, brother. I mean, the one thing I look at is the ES trade that I took. I took the ES trade, and there was also one I set up over here. I would have made big over here. So, fuck it. But anyway, what's cool is I need to learn this shit. And I'm brand new. So everybody watching, you guys here, hey, I have never in my entire life, prior to 2 weeks ago, see what the hell an unwrinkled chart is. I didn't know anything about Apex. I didn't know anything about nothing. So here we go. All right, so I want to go to the upside again. I want to give it another shot. And let's just I'm waiting for my signal though, okay? And again, I can't teach because I myself am learning, right? They want me to be a coach, but how the hell can I be a coach unless I start passing this stuff? So
you will.
Yeah, I'm focused, brother. And I'll take however many beatings I need to take, I'll take, because this is a massive goal for me. And the good news is I'm not pretending to be an expert. I have never looked at this, so I'm going to be learning this shit in real time. It means taking a beating in real time or winning in real time. All right. So, again, I like this. I'm looking to go long. Keep waiting here. But I need to be very careful because you're right. You saw how fast that shit moved? That moved so damn fast. That was crazy. My goal is $500, which means I can't be fucking
way
around.
Faster than our brains move.
Bro, it is sick. And these your wrinkled charts are crazy. Like they move sometimes so fast. You're like, what the hell? All right, we got to start the 6. All right. Let's see if we can get some action here. All right. Come on, baby. My buddy told me, because I was really gun shy, and he's like, bro, you're just buying these evaluation accounts. If you fail, fucking buy some more. I'm like, you know what? You're right, bro. If I fail, I'll just fucking buy some more. Here we go. Yeah, it's better than losing $3,000 of your own money, right? Fuck. I just want to know what that little message that pops up. I don't want that little fucking message to be popping up, dude. I'll tell you what, the other day, though, I lost like $4,000 in like 30 minutes, bro. I was freaking out until my buddy said, I was buying what's called a Lilu bundle. It cost me $30. And I dropped like $3,000. I was so mad. He said, bro, the worst case scenario, you just lose $30. And I'm like, oh shit, you're right. Right? Man, come on. Nasdaq is, yeah, everything's looking good though. Everything's looking good. We got this double star. I don't like that. And again, if it gets too violent for me in the morning, I'll just trade in the afternoon, man, because in the afternoon, I've been doing really good. In the morning, I've been getting killed. But I got to, in order for me to learn, I got to just do it. That's it. It doesn't, I don't want to give a shit if I lose. But, because if I lose too much in the morning, I'll say, fuck it. I'll just focus on the afternoon because I was winning in the afternoon a lot. In the morning, I've been getting killed. Now, I've only been doing it for like a couple of weeks, but every fucking trade, every time in the morning, I've been getting destroyed. And Mark is right. This Nasdaq is a mean son of a bitch, dude. Hang on, I'm getting messages. People are messaging me like all over the fucking place. And I don't want to get too crazy and lose too much, man. I was trading one of the Nasdaqs. Damn it. See? Shit's hard. I don't know about the morning. What the fuck are these messages that keep popping up? I don't want that shit to pop up. All right. The other day, though, you know what's crazy is the other day I was down 800 in the morning, but then 30 minutes later I was up 633. I was like, what the fuck, dude? All right. Now we're hitting that TB3. All right. Difficult. But one of the things that ES trade, that kind of pisses me off, the ES one. And see, right now, there's like no follow through. It's really choppy. Really choppy. Got a swing high up here at 21885. S&P's up 68. Nasdaq's up 340, but right now it's just popping. Not doing much. No follow through. And the thing is, with this Nasdaq, $500 to the upside or downside, it's quick, you know. So we're going to have to be smart. Really wait. But I'm going to be doing it every day. So y'all going to watch me learn this shit in real time. High priority. Today at 11:30, we're going to meet in our mastermind group to go over some, all sorts of stuff. But now, we're getting that higher low here. Hang on. Studies. All right, you got that lower high. It's just kind of chopping right now. Not doing much. The main thing is I need to decide if I'm going to do it in the morning or not. The afternoon it's not as choppy as the morning, man. And I can understand if you've been doing this a while with this, but when you're trying to learn something brand new, it's not easy. Again, I don't want to be blowing up my fucking account in the morning by the time we get to the afternoon. We'll see. Right now, it's just kind of not doing too much. We're here at this -2. Kind of trapped in this middle. No sustained action right this second. We are going to do options. We are going to do options. We're going and in the group today, because again, I've been trading the S&P for a long time, man. I don't need to learn anything more on that. I need to learn this stuff. And in order to learn it, I got to get in the grind, man. That's why it's, and again, I know Mark likes the Nasdaq, so this is kind of right up his alley with the Nasdaq. Yeah, you know what? I think I might do that, man. I mean, like I said, I would much rather, you know, I paid for this evaluation. They were on sale. They had a special. I paid for like $18. I paid $18 for a $50,000 valuation account. So if you lose, let's say, I don't know all the guidelines yet, but I think you can lose for a $50,000 account with Apex $2,500 before you blow it up. I think something like that. We'll get into more details later, but $2,500. So let's say I lose $2,500 and I blow up the account. How much did I really lose? After taxes, I paid $18. And think in trading the S&P, if I lost $2,500, I would lose $2,500. Like, so what? What's the worst we can lose right now? Again, I understand they're not always on special, but shit, right? All right, let's keep watching here. Right now, it's just really chopped. We're working off its lower high. You know, again, we got, you know, we're up here at that swing high, TB3. Kind of got some mixed bags right now. Not a big deal. So here's what's going to happen. And I'm going to do some thinking today. So let me kind of just take a step back and talk about it. So in the morning, and this is for you guys that are in here right now. In the morning, we've been day trading the S&P 500. We've been day trading the S&P 500 in the morning, and then option swing trading. This is a very high priority. So I'm thinking for the next 3 months, in the morning, we're going to focus on this. ES, I'm going to put the ES aside. I'm not worried about it. Y'all guys already know what the signals are, how to trade it. And then we're going to get into options. And then I'm going to trade this later on in the afternoon. But that way, every day, I'll tell y'all what's going on. I have no problem. Right now, I'm down $281. My goal is if I lose 500, I'm going to stop trading this account and move to another account. But I tried to do both. And I think that kind of cost me a big move. So I don't think that's going to happen. If it changes, I'll let you know. But who gives a shit, right? To me, if I'm a brand new trader, this is the route that I would go. This is the route. So for those of you on YouTube here, members and all that, I'm going to hop off. Stick in the room, everybody. We'll chat for a second. Then we're going to get into options. And then we'll meet later in the mastermind group in the school. And we'll go over all that stuff. All right.